How to earn free PayPal money from just watching YouTube videos online. How to do it? Let's find out. Do you watch videos online every single day? If you're someone like me, you're always watching videos on the internet. Did you know that you can earn free PayPal money doing exactly that on the internet? Yes, and you can earn up to $200 a day easily watching videos on YouTube. All you need for this method is a laptop or computer and an internet connection. You can do this method even if you only have a mobile phone. This is how much you can earn from this method. For one video playlist, you'll earn around $10. For 10 video playlists, you'll earn around $100. And then you can earn $200 by watching 20 video playlists. The great part about this approach is that it is completely free, meaning you won't have to spend any money to get started. This technique is available all over the world. So, regardless of where you are in the world, you can do this and earn free PayPal money over and over again. Stay tuned and watch the whole video, because I'll give you many valuable tips on how to make more money than anybody else. Before we begin, don't forget to drop this video a like. Also, most of you amazing people who watch my videos are not subscribed. If you found this video valuable, please click that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Step 1. Let's go on to YouTube right now. Then, let's search for a push-up tutorial. You can see that there are many different results. You can also see that these types of videos have thousands and thousands of views. Now we'll be watching these videos to earn free PayPal money with this method. That's it for step 1. All you want to do is go to YouTube and search for push-up tutorials or any kind of tutorial. Then we can go to step 2. This step is really important. In step 2, I'll show you how we can earn free PayPal money watching these types of videos, and also I'll show you a free website that we have never talked about earlier, which will pay us over $200 every day to watch videos. Now let's see how we can make money with today's method by using these videos. Firstly, what we want to do is to go to google.com and type in ouo.io and press the search button. Once that's done, you will be taken over to this website right here. On this website, we can basically earn money by sharing shortened links. Here you can shrink some URLs and share them on the internet, and then we can earn free PayPal money. So let's give it a shot. Okay, click on this sign up free button at the top right corner of this page. Afterward, you just have to fill up some details and you are good to go. Once you created your free account, this is how your dashboard will look like. Just leave this page just like this and then go on to YouTube again. And let's take this video as an example. Scroll down a little bit and you will find this share icon right here. I want you to click on the share icon. Then you will see a YouTube link where you can share them on the internet. And every time people click on this link right here, they will be brought to this exact YouTube video. Once you copy this link, I want you to go back to ouo.io and then click this new shorten link button. Right here, all we want to do is paste that YouTube video link. Now look at this, this is a shortened link. But this shortened link right here can make us a lot of free PayPal money. Yes, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in this video. So keep on watching. As I previously said, this shortened link has the potential of making us a lot of money online. Because anytime anyone clicks on this link, we will earn free PayPal money. And also the payout rates vary from one country to another. If you go to this page, you can see how much you will exactly earn for a click from different countries all over the world. Now, I'm gonna give you a bonus tip, which is I want you to repeat this method 5 times. I want you to find another 5 videos and get the link of those videos and then shorten those links on this website. Also, be sure to watch the whole video because in just a minute, I'll show you a free platform that you can use to get thousands of clicks on your link. If you don't use that platform, you will not get clicks on your shortened links, which means you will not earn any money, and that is something I don't wish to happen to you. If you also don't want that to happen, keep on watching and follow each and every step. Step 3. We are going to get clicks on our shortened links. The first thing that you are going to do is go to this website called forum.bodybuilding.com. This is a very famous website because a lot of people come on here to learn about health and fitness. As we can see, on this platform we can find many forums about fitness. When you scroll down below, you can see here many posts about exercises and how to stay healthy. A lot of people are putting up some posts on this website. You can see here the views of each post. And a lot of people are viewing these posts right here. For example, many of these have over 100,000 views on this website. Many people are using this platform to get free traffic. If you click on any of these posts, you will see people are leaving links that lead to a website or a YouTube video. This is a very good method to get traffic and to get many people around the world to click on your link. Right now I want to share with you a push-up post template so that you can get an idea of what to post on these forums. First, I give out information about doing push-up as seen here. If you don't know anything about push-up, what you can do is, you just want to go on to Google and you can search on Google for information about push-up. Then when you scroll down below, you can see here that I put up some shortened links that lead to those push-up tutorial videos. I recommend that you put up 5 or more videos so you can get many clicks from one person and you can earn more money when people click on your links. That's how you're going to earn money with this method. If you want to earn more free PayPal money, check out these 2 videos. In those videos, I'll show you how to earn free PayPal money in 2021 from just your phone